welcome. Today we're going to be looking at this light that I have purchased. It's autumn time currently and we're going to be moving into winter, so I thought this would be really useful to put up at my house. And as you can see, it has a solar panel, so it's mostly going to be powered by solar. It does have a little battery in it, which I think will be used for recharging the light, or recharging the panel will recharge the battery, which will then be used to power the light during hours of darkness. So what can I tell you about this? Before I open this up, I bought it from LIDL supermarket, which is all across Europe, and it has a 3-year warranty, 3-year guarantee. Now, I find that interesting to mention because it says also on the packaging that the LEDs cannot be replaced. So I'm thinking if they're offering a 3-year warranty and these can't be replaced, these lights right here, then we are looking at a reasonably confident warranty. It gives dimensions here, so we can see what size it is, and it says that it's got 16 LEDs and it has a 2.5 metre cable connecting the solar panel to the light, which I think is a useful feature because it should allow this to be positioned to catch the most amount of sunlight, which won't always necessarily be the same location as where we want to mount the light. Now, unless I'm mistaken, the promotional leaflet where I saw this product advertised was, it stated that I think that the light output is 68 lumens. Now, for those of you who don't know, lumens is just a measurement of light brightness, and it's not that high. However, given the amount of power that would be provided by what is, relatively speaking, a very small solar panel, I think that it's a reasonable amount. And obviously someone buying this would need to decide whether it was a suitable amount of light for their needs. There is some additional information on the side here, giving some details on the operation of the light and just some specifications, etc. For anyone who wants to, you can pause the video at this point and read those. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we'll see just exactly what we've got in here. Okay, so straight away we've got what looks to be quite a thick leaflet. Let's see. So, various languages as you would expect for such a thick leaflet. It looks like it's English near the front. So we can have a little look at that later. And then what else have we got in the box? So there are fixings, which is good. Like to see that. And they look to be of a decent length, so we should achieve a pretty secure fixing with those. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, so it hopefully won't be a massive job to get this put up. What else have we got? We've got some form of base plate and mounting. holes, which is good. And then we've got, okay, so I'm just going to lift this out with the box. Okay, so we've got the guts of it here. So we obviously have the light here, which is on a unidirectional, that's maybe the wrong word, a little pivot ball, which is great, although it's not super stiff, so I would be concerned that maybe in adverse weather that could get moved, and doesn't look to be like there's any way of securing that in position. So it's a good idea, but it might have been better if it was a little bit tighter. Anyhow, and then we've got again fixing hole here and a fixing hole here, so 2 fixing holes. Great. So 2 fixing holes there, and it looks to me as though the solar panel fits onto this other fixing leg here like that. So solar panel, pretty straightforward. This should, in theory, be a pretty straightforward installation. So there we have it. We have the Livarno or LIDL solar powered LED light, or as it says on the box, LED solar light. So we'll go and get this installed and go from there, see how it performs. Thank you everyone for watching.